Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to look at doing a very quick review on Stealth Writer. You see, with Stealth Writer you get to humanize your AI generated content because it's an SEO tool that converts AI generated content into human like content, so you get better content and you get 100% human score. That's right, so it's a humanizer AI detector, an AI detector too. So you can see ChatGPT, Cloud, Lim, Human. So you have the AI models here. Can check for AI, you can humanize it, text or a write-up that was done with AI. So you can humanize it here by putting in the text here and then click on humanize. So as we were saying, it's really great. It helps to bypass all AI detectors. Yes, it effortlessly bypass them. Detectors like Originality AI, Winston AI, GPT 0, GPT, and Turnitin. And turn it in. Yes, ensuring your content remains undetected and unrestricted. You can try for free. It has 100% programmatic free content. You see, it generates originality, providing peace of mind and safeguarding your content against programming. You can try it for free. You can get content that are free of errors, typos, or old phrasing. No grammar mistakes or old vocabulary. It maintains content integrity, ensuring it's polished and undetectable. It helps generate undetectable content, like we said. It helps verify if your content is detected as AI content. Now, how do you use Stealth Writer? What you do is that you paste your AI generated text, click humanize in the beginning, like I showed you then you view and modify your new content, test your content with the built-in AI detector, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So you have so many great users using it, and you get money back guarantee if you're not satisfied with this service. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try.